Good morning, student. This is the chapter 8, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. First of all, what is the quadrilateral? The figure bounded by any four line is called the quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, there is four side, four angle, and four vertices. So, all of you know about it, no need to write it. See once again the definition. The figure bounded by the four lines are called quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, there is four side, four angle, and four vertices. So, now angle sum property of quadrilateral is a theorem. After that, type of quadrilateral. Firstly, see angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum properties of a quadrilateral. The sum of the angle of a quadrilateral is 360. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. A, B, C, D. What is given here? A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. If ABCD is the quadrilateral, then prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. Now construction. Join AC. Proof. In triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle B plus angle AC equal to, by the angle sum property, by the angle sum property of triangle Now in triangle ACD, angle CAD plus angle ACD plus angle D equal to 180 degree by angle some properties of triangle. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get angle BAC plus angle CAD plus angle B plus angle ACB plus angle ACD plus angle D equal to 360 degree. What is the value of this? Means angle this and this, that is angle A. Angle B as it is plus this is the value of this angle plus this angle. It is angle C plus angle D. It is 360 proved. Now, this theorem is known as the angle sum properties of quadrilateral. Now, types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. First one is the trapezium. What is trapezium? A quadrilateral is said to be trapezium if one pair of side is parallel. A quadrilateral is said to be trapezium if one pair side is parallel. Is parallel. If this is, if AB parallel to CD, then ABCD is a trapezium. Now second, parallelogram. A quadrilateral is said to be parallelogram is said to be parallelogram if both pair of opposite side sides are parallel, like this one, A, B, C, D. If AB parallel CD and AC parallel BC, then ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, third one is rectangle. In a parallelogram, a rectangle is also a parallelogram. Or in a parallelogram, if at least one angle is 90 degree, it is called the rectangle. It means rectangle is a special condition of the parallelogram. Okay? After that, rhombus. Rhombus. If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, A, B, C, D. If AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, then it is rhombus. How it is different from the square? Square. A, B, C, D. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD and angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. But in a rhombus, only four sides are the equal. And one more figure, that is the kite. A, B, C, D. In a quadrilateral, two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Means this equal to this and this equal to this. In kite, adjacent sides are equal and parallel sides are unequal. Unequal. Here AB equal to AD and AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD. On the basis of this concept, we can solve the exercise and some properties of parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram I will discuss in the next class. Thank you.